Welcome to today's video. In this video I will be taking you through how you can build a complete web page with just HTML alone. A web page with HTML alone. The web page will have a header, and will have a body. We are going to upload an image. We are going to upload an image in the body of the web page, and also we are going to put a footer. You know, if you could remember, I told you, I said a web page contain 3 parts. A web page contains 3 parts: the header, the body, the header of the website of the web page, the body of the web page, and the footer of the web page. That was when I told you that if you want to build any web page, or any website, you should first draw it. Take a sheet of paper and draw it, and use pencil to draw what you want to build, how you want it to look like, especially if the client doesn't give you a sample website, something that you can look up to. If the client doesn't give you a sample website to build, you need to take a sheet of paper and draw what you want to build. So with the drawing, you'll be able to follow along. So, and I told you that a web page always contains the header, the body of the page, and the footer. The footer is what is where the name of the person that built the website is written, and the year that the website was built, and the contact page of the contact of the owner of the website, where they can get it from. So in most websites, at the footer side of it, it always they always make it a black color, and the pages will be, as in the text of the footer will be in white color. So with this in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a complete web page with just HTML alone, no CSS. I'm not going to include any CSS. Well, you can now use CSS to beautify it, to position it, to make it look better. So yeah, let's go there. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. You can see we only have about 10 subscribers, and we're looking to get more subscribers. It doesn't cost you anything. It's not going to cost you. It doesn't cost you money. It doesn't cost you anything. Just press on subscribe. Click on subscribe. Click on like, and also click to share. Share to group. Share to those people that want to learn how to code with their mobile phone. Share to them so they can come to this website, they can come to this channel and watch the video, and also learn how to use it. And if today is the first time of coming to this channel, the application we're using to build using mobile phone is SPCK coding editor. SPCK coding editor. Kindly go to your Play Store and type SPCK coding editor, and it will bring the result for you. And click on it. Let me minimize it. This is how it looks like. This is the code. You can see the code. The code looks like X. This is how the code looks like. The logo. This is how the logo looks like. So you can see the logo at the top. Go to Play Store, type SPCK code editor, and we'll bring it out. This is what we have worked on in our former video. Is a table. We work on a table. So I'm going to clean up this. I'm going to clean up this. Oh, I need to Oh, I need to undo. Is this undo? Okay, I need to undo because I already cleaned more than what I supposed to clear. Fine. This is okay. So let's get to work. Let's see how it's going to work. Building a web page with only HTML. Let's see how it's going to work. Okay, here. Now the title is my first website, and you know what title is all about. So here I want to build the if you can see it now, you can see that I'm inside a body tag. So inside this body tag, whatever that any code I put here is going to reflect in our website. So here I'm going to put the header here. So I want to put a header. What am I going to type? I'm going to use a header tag. Yes, header tag. So in this header tag, I'm going to let me use H1. No, let me use H2, H3. Let me use H3. Now, welcome to our website. Fine. Welcome to our website. You can see, welcome to our website. Fine. But I want this welcome to our website to be in center. And don't forget that all we will be using is HTML. I don't want to use CSS to center it. I want to use HTML tag as well. So I'm going to use center tag. Okay, center. Now I will also go to because of the size of the screen of my phone, I will come here, center. Fine. Let me run it again. You can see our text is at the center of our mobile now. Welcome to our website. Okay, let's go there. Now, fine. Now I want to put I want to put home page, about us, products, our services, contact us. I want to put it there in the same header. Don't forget, everything is within the header tag. So I'm going to use a tag. Let me use Emmet. Yes, fine. A tag. Href. Now, because I will not be linking it to anything, let me call this home. Now, let me copy this and paste it. Let me copy it. Fine. No. Let me copy it. Let me paste it. Let me go down. Let me paste again. Let me paste again. This one is home. This one is, let's call this about us. Fine. Let's call this our services. Fine. Okay. Let's call this FAQ, frequently asked question. Fine. Now I'm going to paste the last one. I'll now call this contact us. Contact us. Fine. Okay, let's run it and see how it looks like. Fine. You can see. We can also use center tag to center this thing. We can also use center tag. But let me remove frequently asked question. That FAQ. Let me remove it. So we'll have enough space there. Fine. Fine. Okay. Now, the next thing we want to do is to put, I want this page. Okay, I think I will need to apply, because I want this welcome to our website, and this our listing, this home, about us, our services, and contact us. I want to give it a color, and you cannot even you are giving, there is no way you can give a color in HTML without applying CSS. But the type of CSS you are applying is different from normal CSS. So what I will be applying here is CSS. So I told you, if you I said we have inline CSS, we have inner CSS, we have internal CSS, we have external CSS. But the one I'll be applying here is inline CSS. So let's go there. Here now, for me to apply that inner CSS, inline CSS, I need to come to the header, then style. Now that style is already, I will now apply background. I'll now apply background color. Now background color, let me say dark blue or Alice blue. You can see we have many blue here. Let me use shaded blue. Yes, shaded blue. Fine. Let me use shaded blue. Now let me run it. You can see that is our header. That stands for our header. Trust you understand. That is our header. We can also use HTML tag to center this our home, about us, our services, and contact us. We can use HTML to center it. And how do we use HTML to center this? Here. Okay, let's apply it. Let's apply that center. We're going to apply that to all. We're going to apply it to each and every one of the HA tag. So that means we apply it to, if we want to apply, we apply it to home, we apply it to about us, we apply it to services. Let me remove our services, then contact us, we apply it as well. But notwithstanding, let's just put that aside. Don't let us do that. Here, let's put it here. Let's use text align here. Center. Let's see, maybe it's going to work. You can see we have centered our header. We have centered everything. You can see how nice it looks like. The remaining thing here is the line under it. And also we can also use inline CSS to remove that. So what we just need to do is to text decoration. As this semicolon, I use it to separate it. Here we'll say text decoration. Text decoration. We just put none. And once we run it, oh, doesn't affect it. Definitely that text decoration, we're going to put it on each of that a tag. Okay, we're going to put it here. Style. Style. Sorry, I need to make, okay, style, file, text decoration, none, fine. You can see that home, there is no any line under it, there is not any underline under it anymore. So we need to apply that to all 8 attributes. So what am I going to do is to copy this inline CSS, is to copy it and paste it to all 8 tags. Fine. 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 Now if I run it now, you won't see any line there. You can see. We can even make it bold. Since we already add CSS here, we can decide to make it bold by separating it this way. Font weight. Okay, font size. No, let's make font weight. Bold. Font weight. Bold. Now let's see that home page. Let's see, maybe you can see that home page is bold because we already apply font weight to it. Because how bold it is, because we already apply font weight. Now let's copy that font weight and apply it to all, so everything will be bold. Fine, I copy it. Don't forget where to apply it. Fine. 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 Okay. Now let's go and check it. Wow. This is great. This is nice. This is nice. You can see how it looks like. But we didn't link it now. We didn't link it. So you can see this href. You can see this href. Nothing is there. We can only put this hashtag. Can only put it there, except we have a website to link it to. If we have a website to link into, we now put the website link. Or if we want to link it to another page, we will put the page link there. But since we are not linking it to any, you can see how it looks like. Fine, that's our page. That's our header. That's our header. So now we want to go to the main body where we are going to insert our body. Now I put a main tag, so for you to know that I'm working on the main body. Everything is still within the body, but just to use that one. So here I'm going to, let me use H2. Okay, let me use H4. Check out our new image, because I am going to look at our new picture. Now let's run this and see. Check out our new picture. Fine. You can see that main, that H2 is very bold. H4 is also bold because it's within the main. It's bold because it's within the main tag. Now I can also use center tag to center it. I can also use center tag to center it. Fine. Okay, you can see. Check out our new picture. Now I want to upload an image within this main. And to upload an image, all we need is image tag, right? So img, fine, source. Now the source is, let me check if I have any image here. My image folder. Okay, tester.jpg. That tester.jpg is inside images. So I'm going to specify that images / tester.jpg. Fine. Alternatively, you can say tester image. Fine. Let's run it and see. This is the image. You can see. So it already occupied the whole screen. So I need to specify the weight. So it won't occupy the whole size, the whole screen. So how do we specify the weight? I believe you still remember. Yes. So all you need to do is to style it. You can even put width 100 pz. Now let's check. You can see, but I want it to more than that. Let me put 250 or 350 pz. Fine. On 350, let me use 300. Fine. But I think that 350 will be okay, because without even it align. Okay, let me use 300. Then let me now specify the height. And now specify the height. Let me now specify the height. So the height will be, let's make it let me the height 100 pz. $100 pz. Let's run it and see. No, it's not effective yet. Fine. Height. Oh, that 100 is too small. Let me use 200. Fine. Fine. So you can see, just you can see it now. Now I want some text to be here, to be under the image. Now this, check out our new product. Don't let me use picture. So this will be one of our products. Just to get it. Now we can now put some description about this product. And put some description as a paragraph. Can put some description. Still, I'm still inside the main tag. So p tag. Now I'm still inside the, don't forget. So do I have anything I can type? Oh, P. It's not. Let me check. Maybe I will have some text on my. Let me check if I have some text and I can copy and paste there, because I don't really know. I don't even know what to type. Okay, let me check. I think I do. Okay, fine. Let me just copy this. Fine. Let me just paste this. Let me just paste this. Fine. 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 Okay. This is a product description of this image. That's the product description. You can see. So now we want to put the footer now. Want to put the footer. That's the body of the this is the header. Fine. This is the body of our web page. I want to put the footer now. So under this, after the main, I will now want to put footer tag. I want to put footer tag. Footer tag. It's not bringing it, so I need to type it complete. Let's type it. Okay. Fine. Footer. That's opening tag. Footer. That's closing tag. That's closing tag. So whatever I want to put now will not be within this. Will not be within this. Now I want a line. I want a line. And to put a line in a web page, you type HR. Fine. That will draw a line. Let me check. You can see a tiny line at the bottom side of this web page. There's a tiny line here. That's what that's the action of the HR tag. We'll draw a line for you. HR tag will draw a line for you. Now I want to put, let me come down here. Let me put author. Signal global. Fine. But okay. I need to break this. Break. Fine. Now apart from that, I also need to I know most time you see at copyright at the bottom where or at 2023 or 2022, the year the website was developed. We will see it there. So how do we do that? Just to put at copyright, you put and copy and copy. Now we'll now put the year. This is 2023. Fine. Copyright. Copyright. Copyright reserved. Now I need to break it. Don't forget that what we are doing here, everything is still within the body. The header is within the body, the main is within the body, and the footer is also within the body. Now let's run and see the footer side. Okay, you can see the line. You can see author at Signal Global at, you can see that 2023 copyright reserved. You can see at 2023 copyright reserved. And if you check here, if you look at the code, I didn't put any at there, and copy that, and copy produce at, that produce at here, that produce at here. Now I can center all these things using HTML tag, center tag. You can center it. You can center it. And then also this as well. We can also center it. Also center it. Let's see. Now you can see everything at the center side. You can see. Now I want them to see my mail, so though I'll put center tag. Okay, let me first use a tag. Fine. Now at this href, I will now say mail to. Now I will not specify my email. I will not specify my email. Mail to Signal Global. Global Services at gmail.com. Fine. Now if anyone wants to click on this thing, now it will send a mail to me directly. Once they click on this email, it will open an email app. Okay, let me click on it. For example, it couldn't open an email app here because we're using this application. If it is hosted, if it's something that is hosted on a domain, once you click on that email, it will open an email for you, an email application for you to send. So just understand this. Now since it is like this, I want that email to, I want to center it. Point one, I want to make it small. Don't forget, you can use small to make this thing small. We use small tag. Fine. Now here I will also come here to use small tag. Use small tag. Fine. Now you will see that, you can see it's very small now, but I also want to center it. What do I do? This small, I will now use center. I'll now use center to center it. I'll use center to center it. Fine. Now you can see. But this line, this tiny line, this underline that you can see there, you know what we can do to remove it. Oh yeah, do that to remove it. Do that to remove it. Let's do it. I'll just come here. This href. I will style it. Style. Text decoration. Text decoration. I will say no. I don't want. Fine. Because it's no more there. But this bottom, this place, I want a color. The same color that apply to this place, I want the same color to apply to this bottom side of it. What do I do? How do I go about it? Fine. Now I will now come to this footer side, inside the opening tag of footer, and style it. I will just give it a background color. Abi? Just as simple as that. Background color. What color do I give the header? Shaded blue. Fine. So I want the same color to apply. Fine. Fine. Okay, let's run it. You can see the same color apply. The same color apply. Here, instead of me using author, let me use design by or develop. Developed by fine Signal Global at 2023 copyright reserved. That's to send a mail to me. You can see web page. This is how to design a web page. This, you might be reading a blog. You might be reading a blog. This is how a blog works. This is how it works. All you just need to do is to link all this. Just create another page, call it about us. Create another page, call it, especially if it's a blog, you don't even need all this. All you need is home page, about us, contact us. You don't need services because we are not rendering any services. All you need is just to always updating your content. Once you host your web page, always updating it. Everything will be on your server. Everything will be hosted online, and once you post it online, people are able to read it. It will be stored there. So the other day, if you have anything to post, you post it. Everything will be there. So all you just need to do is to create a comment section where people can write a comment and post, and you will see that is if necessary, because in most cases it's not even necessary, but just to get a feedback. They will send a comment. You might receive it on your mail, or it will be saved there. You will be able to read it there. You will also receive a copy on your mail. This is as simple as this. This is as simple as this. For example, now let's assume that when you are reading a page, you might see some embedded link. Okay, let me call it embedded link. So you will see that if you want to read about this, if you want to read, for example, this career management, if you want to read about career management, click here. That career management will be highlighted. They will highlight that career management. Then once they will embed the link under this career management, then once you click on it, it will take you to another page. Another page has been created as a career management. Now they will now put the link. How do they do that? Let's go back to the code, and let me locate that career management. Let me locate that career management. Okay, here is the career management. Fine, here is it. Now to embedded a link under this career management, all I need to do is to use a tag around this career management. A tag around this career management. Fine. Now here href. Now where do I want to lead this career management to? Let me type google.com www.google.com. That's where I want to link that career management to. Now let's go and see. Now you can see this career management has been highlighted and it has become a link, because a link has been embedded under this career management. Now if anyone click on this career management, it will take them to Google. Now let me click on it and see. I have internet. It will surely take me to Google. Okay, you can see. Look, because I'm running a local host, you can see www.google.com. You can see you want to link to the Google, but I'm running a local host. If I use my laptop to run this, I'm very sure it will open Google Direct. But because I'm using mobile, that is why you can see this error. But doing that, it have to take you to a Google web page where you'll be able to read about career management, because a Google link has been embedded. Under the career management. That is what made the color different, and that is what make it to be highlighted. You can see a line under it. That it is because a link has been embedded under it. So thank you for watching. I'm looking for this video to get to 100 subscribers. I need 100 subscribers. Kindly watch this video. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Please kindly subscribe, like and share. So in our next video, if there is anything you still want me to cover that I'm here to cover, kindly let me know. Don't forget this image as well. You can see this image is by one side. We can as well, let's even try to center it. Let's use center tag to center it. Let's see if it's going to work. Just try out many things, even the one that you are not that I didn't mention here. Just try to work things out yourself to see how it works. Make research, because I might not be able to cover everything. You can see that center tag is very powerful. You can see how it centered the image itself. Very powerful. So see you in our next video. Please subscribe, like and share. God bless you. Bye.